we got a game for you today. Hello, baseball fans. Sunny Day here, along with my good friend, Vinny the Gooch. Okay, let's play ball! On the mound today is Jerry Winchell. Luann Louie is the first one out of the dugout.
What's that, Daddy?
Hey, batter. Ready now? Fires. Strike one.
What, please?
Nobody out. Whiff. Swing. Ready now? Fires. A swing. There's a bunt. Safe. Olive Holding comes to the plate. Runner on first. No out. Swing. Takes the stretch. Here's the pitch. Strike one. Goes for the steal. She's out. Swing. Hey, batter. Hey, batter. He sets the pitch. Low and inside. One out. We want a batter, not a broken ladder. Ready now, and the delivery. And belted. Done! Steps up. Swing. Hey, batter. Swing. From the stretch. Throws it. A long one and deep. Done! And now it's Pickles. One out. We want a batter, not a broken ladder. From the windup and the throw. That was a ball. 1-0. He sets, cuts to the plate. Swinging. Ground ball. And he's out. Dominique Lowe steps up to bat. 2 outs. Swing. Whiff. Into the windup and the delivery. Whiff. Strike one. And the count is 0-1. We want a batter, not a broken ladder. Ready now and delivers. Strike two. Let's see if he goes to his 2-strike stand. And the count is 0-2. He sets and the offering. And a foul ball. The target goes up. Here's the pitch. Ball one. We want a batter, not a broken ladder. The windup. Pitch on the way. Swung on. Looped up. PJ Sharif steps up. Runner on first. 2 outs. Swing. Hey, batter. We want a batter. He comes center and the offering. Ladder. That was a ball. We want 1-0. A batter, not a broken ladder. Takes the stretch. Hey, fires. Batter. Foul. And the count is 1-1. Here's the motion. The 1-1 pitch. Swing. Strike. Hey, the target goes up. The 1-2 pitch. Chopper to third. And he's out. 1 left on. Luann Louie. Clarice Reed steps up to bat. Nobody out. Hey, batter. So she kicks. And the offering. offering. Swinging. Ground ball. Pitcher makes the catch. She fires it to first. She's out of there. Nan Porter steps up to bat. One out. From the windup and the pitch. Swings. A bunt. And she goes after it. Tosses it over to first. Out. Sophie Meyer steps up. 2 outs. She's ready. And the throw. Swings. It's fouled back. Into the windup and the delivery. Swing. Another strike. And the count is 0-2. She sacked the delivery. Down she goes.
Patty, you got him!
And that's gonna end the inning. Molly May. He's ready now, and the delivery. That's a foul, and the count is 0-1. Into the windup, he throws it. Ground ball. And she's out. Gary Allen comes to the plate. 1 out. Swing! Into the windup, the delivery. Strike 1. And the count is 0-1. Here's the windup. Cuts to the plate. A long drive. Get out of here! Jody Palmer. 1 out. Swing! We want a batter, not a broken ladder. From the windup and the offering. Strike 1. And the count is 0-1. Into the windup, the delivery. Swings. Ground ball. And she's out. Now it's Lou and Louie's turn. 2 outs.
What's that, Daddy?
He sacks. Pitch on the way.
Not a broken ladder.
A bunt. Safe on first base. Olive Hogan steps up to bat. Runner on first. 2 outs.
We want a batter, not a broken ladder. Not a broken ladder.
Here's the windup. He throws it. Strike. She steals. Safe.
Hey, batter, batter, batter. We want a batter, not a
The
broken
windup
ladder.
and the
Hey,
throw.
batter, batter,
Swinging.
batter.
Another strike. 1 more strike, and it's curtains for her. They have a runner on second. 2 outs.
Hey,
He
batter,
comes
batter,
center,
batter.
and the offering. Foul ball. He winds, and the delivery. That was ball 1.
Swing.
He winds the 1-2 pitch. That was ball 2.
Swing.
2-2. The stretch. He throws it.
We want
Ball
a batter,
3.
not a
3-2.
broken ladder. Swing.
From the windup,
Hey,
the
batter,
3-2
batter,
pitch.
batter.
That's a foul, and the count is 3-2. He sacks. He throws it. Chopper to third. Zoe Mallory steps up. Runners on first and second. 2 outs. He comes center. The delivery. Swung on. Looped up. And that's an out. Halfway through the inning now. 2 left on. Alexis Weiss comes to the plate. She kicks, cuts to the plate. Swinging. Strike one.
Hit some good, Daddy.
Ready now, and the pitch. Swings. Ground ball.
Daddy says, nice job.
She's got it. That throw was, shall we say, a bit miscalculated. Quick throw to second. She's out. Chucks it over. Shane Smith steps up.
We want a batter.
The stretch and the pitch. Swinging. Strike. The target goes up and the throw. A bunt.
Swing. We want a batter.
The target goes up. Here's the pitch. Yes, she makes it. That's an out. Carlos Ocampo steps up to bat. 2 outs.
Hey, batter.
Here's the motion. Fires. A swing. Strike.
Whiff.
Takes her stretch. Pitch on the way. Swings. Another strike.
Whiff.
And the count is 0-2.
Hey, batter.
The windup. Here's the pitch. Swing. Pop fly.
Hello.
Easy play. We got him out. And that'll do it for them this inning. And that'll close up the second. The Mariners are out in front. And now it's Pickles' turn at the plate. Watch and
We
learn.
want a batter, not a broken ladder.
Ready now, and the delivery. The swing. Smacked one into right center field. Bye-bye, Mr. Baseball. Dominique Lowe steps up with nobody out.
Hey, batter. Whiff. Hey, batter.
He's ready now, and the throw.
So
That was a ball. Into the motion and the delivery.
Swing.
Strike. 1-1.
Whiff.
Here's the windup. Cuts to the
We
plate.
want a batter, not a broken ladder.
Ground ball. And it's an out. PJ Sharif steps up to bat. 1 out.
We want a batter. We want a batter, not a broken ladder.
The stretch. He throws it. Swung on. Chopper to third. And that's an out. Molly May comes to the plate. 2 outs.
Hey, batter. We want a batter.
Into the motion. Here's the pitch. The swing. Belted it. Gary Allen comes to the plate. Runner on first. 2 outs.
Swing. Hey, batter.
From the stretch. He
We
throws
want
it.
a batter, not a broken
Belted it.
ladder.
I think we need a new baseball. Jody Palmer steps up. Now pitching. Sophie Myers.
Hey, batter. We want a batter, not a broken ladder.
The target goes up, throws it.
We
The
want a
swing.
batter, not a
Strike.
broken ladder.
She's ready. She delivers.
Swing.
Swings. A blooper in foul territory. She's set, and the throw.
Hey, batter.
Ground ball. The Mariners are out in front. Jerry Winchell steps up to bat with nobody out.
We want a batter.
Into the windup, the delivery. Swinging. Strike! And the count is 0-1. Here's the windup. Cuts to the plate. Strike! And the count is 0-2. The stretch and delivers. A swing. Ground ball. Got it. Throws it to first. We got him out. Laura Nunez comes to the plate. 1 out.
Swing!
Into the motion and the pitch. Swung on. Foul! And the count is 0-1.
Swing!
From the windup, she delivers. Foul!
Teddy, you got way there.
The windup and the throw. Swing! And another batter goes down.
Teddy, you got him.
Artie Hamilton comes to the plate. Into the windup and the delivery. Swinging. Takes the dive. Yes, makes it. We got him out. They are turned away in this inning. That'll end the inning. The Mariners are making it look easy today. Up by 6. Now it's Lou and Louie's turn. Nobody out.
Keep your eye on the ball, Teddy.
Here's the windup. Here's the pitch. That was ball 1.
Not a broken ladder. Swing! Swing!
The windup cuts to the plate. Strike! From the windup and the throw.
Swing!
It's fouled back. 1-2.
Swing!
She kicked the 1-2 pitch. Ground ball. And that's an out. On his post. Steps up.
Hey, batter, batter, batter. Hey, batter, batter, batter. Hey,
She
batter,
kicked
batter,
the
batter.
delivery. Ball 1. 1 out. Into the motion.
Hey,
Throws it.
batter, batter, batter.
Strike!
Hey,
And the
batter,
count
batter,
is
batter.
1-1. Takes the stretch. Fires. Swung on. Popped it up. That'd be a ground rule double. Zoe Mallory comes to the plate. They have a runner on second.
Hey,
1
batter,
out.
batter, batter. Hey, batter, batter, batter. Swing! Swing!
Takes her stretch.
Hey,
The
batter,
pitch.
batter, batter.
Ball 1. And the count is 1-0. She sets and delivers.
Batter, batter.
Pop fly. And it's an out. And now it's Pickles' turn at the plate. They have a runner on second. 2 outs. Watch and learn. The stretch. Here's the pitch. A blooper in foul territory. 0-1. From the windup, the pitch. Swing. Strike. And the count is 0-2. The windup and the pitch. The swing. Ground ball. He's out. Halfway through the inning. Clarice Reed. The target goes up and the throw. She lays down a beauty and she grabs it. And the throw to first out. Nan Porter comes to the plate. 1 out. The target goes up and the throw. Ground ball straight to the pitcher. Straight to first. That's an out. Sophie Meyer steps up to bat.
Hey, batter, batter, batter.
From the stretch, the delivery. A swing. Smacked one into right center field. Runs over to it. Home run! Alexis,
Swing!
the target goes up, cuts to the plate.
Batter, batter, batter.
That's a foul.
Hey, batter, batter, batter. Whisk.
From the stretch, and the offering.
We want a batter,
And
not a
drove
broken
one
leg.
deep.
Wow.
Running back, he jumps and makes a basket catch. Out! We've shut them down in this inning. And the fourth inning's over. The M's are looking good today. Up by 5. Dominique Lowe steps up to bat.
We want a batter. We want a batter, not a broken ladder. So
The target goes up and delivers. And he's out. PJ Sharif steps up to bat. 1 out.
Hey, batter, batter, batter. We want a batter, not a broken
Here's the motion.
ladder.
The
Hey,
pitch.
batter, batter, batter.
Swung on. Strike 1. And the count is 0-1. Takes the stretch and delivers. Lined back. And that's an out. Molly May steps up. 2 outs.
We want a batter, not a broken ladder.
From the windup, the pitch, the swing, a long drive. Adios! Gary Allen steps up.
We want a batter, not a broken ladder.
Ready now, and the offering. Popped it up. And it's an out. Halfway through the inning. Shane Smith. Nobody
Hey,
out.
batter, batter, batter.
She's ready. She delivers. Swings. A blooper in foul territory. 0-1.
Hey, batter, batter, batter.
Here's the motion.
We want a
Fires.
batter, not a
Swings.
broken ladder.
Fouled one back. And the count is
Swing.
0-2. The target goes up and the throw. Tags one. Leaps up and he gets it. He's out of there. Carlos Ocampo steps up. 1 out.
Swing.
From the windup, cuts to the plate. Swing. Strike 1. 0-1.
Swing.
Takes the stretch. Here's the
Swing.
pitch. Foul.
Swing.
Into the motion and delivers. Swinging. Say goodbye to another hitter.
Swing.
Teddy, you got him.
Jerry Winchell steps up
We want a batter,
from the
not a
stretch
broken
and the
ladder.
delivery. The swing. Foul.
Hey, batter, batter, batter.
From the windup, the delivery. Swung on. A long one and deep. Back. Bye-bye, Mr. Baseball. Laura Nunez.
Swing.
From the windup, throws it. Swung on. Popped it up.
Hello.
Jumping in the air and makes it. She's out of there. That's all, folks. That'll end the inning. The Mariners are making it look easy today. Up by 5. Jody Palmer steps up to bat.
We want a batter, not a broken ladder. We want
Takes
a
the
batter,
stretch,
not
throws
a
it.
broken ladder.
A swing. It's fouled back with nobody out.
Whisk.
From the windup, she delivers. And a foul ball. And the count is 0-2.
Hey, batter, batter.
Here's the motion and delivers. That was ball 1. She sat the 1-2 pitch. Swing. Strike. She goes down on. Now it's Lou.
Swing. Swing.
She's ready. The pitch. That was ball 1.
Swing.
1-0. From the stretch a beauty. And it's an out. All in bogey. 2 outs.
Swing! Hey, batter, batter, batter!
The target goes up, cuts to the plate.
Swing!
Low and away. Takes the stretch
Hey,
and
batter,
the
batter,
offering.
batter.
That was ball 2. And the
Hey,
count
batter,
is
batter,
2-0. Into the
Hey,
motion,
batter, batter, batter.
fires. That was ball
We
3.
want a
And the count
batter,
is
not
3-0.
We want a batter, not a broken ladder.
Here's the motion and the pitch. Strike!
Hey,
And the
batter,
count
batter,
is
batter.
3-1. She set the 3-1
We
pitch.
want a batter,
Right.
not a
They're in the
broken
hole here,
ladder.
Sonny.
3-2.
Whip.
The stretch. The 3-2
Hey,
pitch.
batter, batter, batter.
Ground ball. She's out of there. Halfway through the inning. Artie Pimbleton. Nobody
We
out.
want a batter, not
The
a
stretch
broken
and
ladder.
the offering. Tags one. Yes, makes it. That'll send him back. Clarice Reed.
Swing!
The target goes up, fires.
Hey,
A
batter,
swing,
batter, batter.
popped it up.
Wowie, wow, wow.
She leaps up, an easy out. She's out. Nan Porter
We want a
from
batter,
the windup
not a
and the
broken
pitch.
ladder.
Swinging.
Swing.
Tattoos that one. Got it. Straight to second. The throw to first
That's the
base.
way. Come
She's
on.
safe. Sophie Meyer. 2 outs.
Swing!
Ready now. Fires. The swing makes the break. Straight to second. Safe.
Whip. Hey,
Here's the
batter,
motion
batter, batter.
and the throw. And belted. Races to the ball. Easy play. She's out of there. That'll bring him to a halt in this inning. The Mariners